So this video is going to show you how to create a presentation board for your architecture class. So you're going to want to start by going to Adobe Spark. You can Google it if you don't already know how to get there. And once you click, you want to log in with your Google account. And here we go. So this is what the dashboard may look like for you. You're going to want to just click the plus if you're starting a new account or a new project. And I like to say view all. And I would look for this one. It's called poster, simply because we have one big presentation board that we're going to make. So it's not a flyer or, one of these. It's not a brochure where you may be folding it 3 times. But, you can browse and choose as you like. So the first thing you want to do is pick your template. So you can search through these, or you could say architecture here if you want to look through those. And just find one that you think suits you. You can go with any of these, really. Doesn't much matter. I don't think you want something like this, because you're going to get all kinds of busy backgrounds. Remember, you want a pretty simple background. If you see the premium, that means you have to pay. So anyway, I'm just going to pick one. All right, I'm just going to go with the one that we have. Though, to be honest, I'm going to now actually delete away those images. Background color, you can choose this. You can play with different shades down here, and don't need this logo. I'm going to delete that as well. And here we go. You may want to, just to give you a preview of what you could do, you could pick any graphic that you want, and then you could turn it into a rounded or curved text. I actually like the way this one looks. To start, though, actually what I wanted to show is I want to make sure that this is the right size. So you're going to want to come over here to Resize. 11 by 17 is a good size. You can pick any of these. Whoop. I clicked the exact one I didn't want to. Where'd my 11 by 17 go? Here we go. So that's a good size for a poster. So it's something like 18 by 24. Obviously, I don't want my text to take up the entire width. So maybe I could do this, and know that you can change the color of your text. You can change the shape of it. This is the background effect. As you see, it's changing. But I'm going to stick with that, and so on. So you can play with this. You might want to obviously change the text. You can call this whatever the address was, maybe, or single-story house. And so that's where you go from here. To insert pictures, you can come to photos. Now, to bring them in, one thing you could do is go to your dashboard in Floor Planner, and actually come here to your exports, which are all of the images that you've downloaded, or sorry, that you've created, that you've rendered, and then I'll click on them. Here, let's get an interior and exterior from a couple different students. And now you can come over here and upload your photos, and you'll just have to find them on your drive. Looks like it doesn't allow you to upload multiples at once. So that's what you do from here. And this is where you could play with, do you want this in the middle and have it be one big graphic? Maybe now you can bring this to the front, which would be layer order. So that means you want this to be completely on the front. Maybe you change it so that it's transparent background, and so on. So you can resize it. I'm gonna leave this all up to you to play. I think at this point you get the picture of how you might go about doing this. Design assets are just, little graphics that you can add, backgrounds, and so on. So I hope that is enough to get you going. The last thing you're going to want to do, well, actually two things. Change the name of this. So you could call this maybe One Story House Presentation Board by SG. And then what I would like you to do is, in here, please add my name so that I can see your presentation. Or you can copy the link and paste it in Classroom, whatever it was that I requested. So that's enough to get you started. I hope this helps, and good luck with your board.